Hi friends, welcome to Excel Commerce platform. I am Chaitra, lecturer, Department of Commerce, RPGFGC and PG Center Bilgi. This is a platform where you can explore commerce knowledge. Please subscribe our channel and click on bell icon, then share this video with your friends. Let us discuss about one of the important concept in management accounting, that is ratio analysis. There are various ratios are there, such as balance sheet ratios, income statement ratios, turnover ratios. Let us see income statement ratios. Income statement ratios are express the relationship of various items in income statement. For example, gross profit ratio, net profit ratio, operating profit ratio, expense ratio, and so on. Let me take one by one of these ratios. The first one is gross profit ratio. Let us begin with the meaning of gross profit ratio. This ratio expresses the relationship of gross profit to net sales or turnover. This ratio generally used to know the production efficiency of the company. Here is the formula of gross profit ratio. Gross profit ratio equals gross profit divided by net sales into 100. Next, gross profit equals net sales minus cost of goods sold. Next, net sales equals sales minus sales returns or return inward. Next is cost of goods sold, simply called COGS, equals opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock plus any direct expenses incurred. Let us understand with an example. The following data relates to a XYZ trading company. Compute the gross profit ratio of the company. Gross sales rupees 10 lakh, sales returns rupees 90,000, cost of goods sold rupees 6 lakh 75,000. Let us see how to calculate gross profit ratio. First, we calculate net sales. Net sales is obtained from gross sales minus sales returns. Gross sales is 10 lakh rupees. Sales returns is 90,000. The resulted figure is 9 lakh 10,000 rupees. Next, we know the gross profit. Gross profit equals net sales minus cost of goods sold. As we know that how much of net sales? 9 lakh 10,000 is net sales. COGS is 6 lakh 75,000. Finally, we get gross profit, that is 2 lakh 35,000. Then apply to the formula, that is gross profit divided by net sales into 100. Gross profit is 2 lakh 35,000 divided by 9 lakh 10,000 into 100. Finally, we get the resulted figure, that is gross profit ratio is 25.82%. Next is net profit ratio. This ratio, also known as profitability ratio or margin on sales ratio. This ratio expresses the relationship between net profit after tax and net sales. Net profit ratio generally indicate the overall efficiency of the concern. Mathematically, net profit ratio equals net profit after tax divided by net sales into 100.
Calculation of net profit.
We shall see an example. The following data has been extracted from income statement of MNS Corporation. Gross sales rupees 2,10,000, returns inward rupees 10,000, net profit before tax rupees 50,000, income tax 10%. Required compute net profit ratio of MNS Corporation using above information. Next is calculations of net profit ratio. To solve this problem, we need net profit after tax. But in the problem, we have net profit before tax. To calculate net profit after tax, we deduct 10% of income tax from net profit before tax. That is, income tax rate is 10%, net profit is 50,000. Income tax is 10% on net profit. That is, 50,000 into 10% equals 5,000 as a income tax. 50,000 minus 5,000 equals 45,000 as net profit after tax. Then net sales. Net sales equals gross sales minus sales return. Gross sales is 2,10,000 rupees. Sales returns is 10,000. So net sales is 2 lakh. Then we calculate net profit ratio. Net profit ratio equals net profit after tax divided by net sales into 100. That is 45,000 divided by 2 lakh into 100. The resulted is 22.5%. Next is operating ratio. This ratio shows the relationship of operating cost to sales. Operating cost is equal to COGS plus operating expenses. Operating expenses are material cost, labor cost, factory overheads, office and selling expenses. It does not include any non-operating expenses like interest charges, taxes, dividend paid, etc. Operating ratio is a measure to know the functioning efficiency of the concern. We will see an example. The selected data from the record of Goodluck Company Limited is given below. Net sales rupees 4 lakh, cost of goods sold rupees 1,60,000, administrative expenses rupees 35,000, selling expenses rupees 25,000, interest charges rupees 10,000. Required compute operating ratio for Goodluck Company Limited from the above data. Let me see how to calculate operating ratio. First, we calculate operating cost. Operating cost consists of COGS plus operating expenses. Operating expenses include administrative expenses, labor expenses, material expenses, office expenses, administration expenses and selling expenses. In the problem, COGS and administrative expenses and selling expenses are there. That is 1,60,000 plus 35,000 plus 25,000. Sum up of these items, that is 2,25,000 as operating cost. By applying this formula, we will get 55%. It means 55% of the sales revenue would be used to cover the COGS and other operating expenses. We will come up with the further videos. Thank you for watching.